Today we're going to test out a new microphone from Phenyx Pro. This is the PDM 36. This microphone can also be used for other instruments like the bass guitar or a piano. We're going to compare this with the Phenyx Pro PDM 33 that came with microphone set from Phenyx Pro. And we're going to test out some of the differences and see how it works. I just started to use Phenyx Pro for microphones and a few other digital equipment for a starting band. And let me tell you, the quality of Phenyx Pro, it is, for the price, it is really, really hard to beat. I don't know how Phenyx Pro can make this kind of quality gear for this kind of price. And just to be clear, I'm not part of a band. I am just helping out with some technical aspects of recording. The standard drum kit microphone set from Phenyx Pro comes in a really nice case like this. You can see the individual holders for each microphone, and it comes with the PDM 33 for the kick drum. It also comes with multiple smaller microphones for the snare, for the toms, and then also the overhead microphones right here. It's a very nice setup, and that is what we will be using for this drum kit recording. Recording is going through the Behringer X18 Air digital mixer. Now the PDM 33 comes with just this, and you have to get some sort of mount separate like this. And I'll put a link to this one below, but I like this small little gooseneck. It's pretty low profile. It fits in there really, really nice. This one, on the other hand, sets inside the actual kick drum itself. So it does not require any sort of stand. PDM 36 is a condenser microphone, which means it requires phantom power. Now, this can operate anywhere from 12 to 52 volts. We are using 48 volts. The PDM 33 is a dynamic moving coil microphone, does not require phantom power. The polar pattern, this is a cardioid pattern, and this is a super cardioid pattern. Both have similar frequency response and sensitivity and impedance, and both can tolerate the high pressures built up in the bass drum. The other thing with the PDM 36 is that it has EQ settings on the bottom. You can use it on the floor for a piano or bass guitar. And we're going to compare the difference between the PDM 36 and the PDM 33 to see if we can tell the difference. The PDM 33 rests right here in the kick drum hole. When we take this out, we put the PDM 33 directly through the hole and resting on that baffling. And it's going to be pointing this direction so it can pick up most of the sound from the beater heads on the other side. So that is a difference in positioning. Now we're going to compare the two and see if we can tell a difference. So as you can tell, both microphones are really, really good, solid choices. I do like that this one can be used also on the floor for low frequency instruments, whereas this one isn't really designed for that. This one again requires phantom power. The PDM 33 does not. So there definitely are differences. I think we'll keep trying them out. They're both very good quality. Next, let's see how these microphones perform with a Cajon. First, we will try the PDM 36, then we'll try the PDM 33, then we'll try the direct connection. there you have it, a comparison video of the PDM 36 and the PDM 33 kick drum microphones. If you like this kind of video, let me know. If you have any questions, leave a question in the comment below. I'll try to get to all of them. Thanks a lot for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Share it with anyone else who you think might be interested in learning more about comparison of these Phenyx Pro microphones. Again, in summary, these are really good microphones. I really like Phenyx Pro, a good, affordable, quality system. Thanks a lot for watching. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps out the channel. Thanks a lot. We'll catch you next time. Bye.